The team at G5 Prime has unveiled its new Centergy family of hunting bows, which includes the Centergy, Centergy Air, and Centergy Hybrid. According to G5, the chief goal of the new Centergy family was to improve the aiming process. Basically, they want archers to be able to get on target faster and stay steadier for longer. One of the ways G5 addressed this was to put more weight at the bottom half of the bow, with the idea that this makes the bow easier to control versus a bow that is more top-heavy. G5 also built a curve into the bottom half of the riser, which it says, and I quote, practically eliminates lateral movement during the draw cycle. These things all sound great on paper, but we won't know if this is anything more than PR speak until we can get our hands on one of these bows for some extended testing. The Centergy family also benefits from new 82X aluminum risers, which is the strongest and stiffest alloy available, and the same material found on the new Prime target bows. Also new is the TRK cam system, which is the next step in Prime's parallel cam technology. These cams are specific for each draw length, and G5 says they offer more efficiency for shorter draw length shooters. According to G5, you only lose 4 to 6 feet per second of speed per inch of draw length. That's basically half of the IBO standard of 10 feet per second per inch of draw length. TRK cams also allow archers to switch between limb stops and cable stops, depending on personal preference. Time to talk specs. The Prime Centergy has an axle-to-axle length of 33¼ inches, brace height of 6½ inches, IBO rated speed of 333 feet per second, and mass weight of 4.3 pounds. Draw lengths range from 24½ to 31½ inches, and available peak draw weights are 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, and 80 pounds. The Centergy Air is essentially the same bow, but is designed for women and smaller archers thanks to a slightly lighter mass weight of 4.1 pounds and more streamlined grip. All of the other specs are identical to the Centergy, though only 40, 50, and 60 pound draw weight options are available. The Centergy Hybrid is a crossover bow good for hunters and tournament archers thanks to its longer 35¼ inch axle-to-axle length. It has a slightly shorter brace height of 6 inches, a mass weight of 4½ pounds, and an IBO rated speed of 338 feet per second. Draw lengths range from 24½ to 31½ inches, and it has the same 6 draw weight options as the Centergy. Each of the new Centergy bows is available in black, Recon Gray, First Light Fusion, and Optifade Elevated 2. All three carry a suggested retail price of $1,199.